Microlearning is a modern approach to education that involves short and focused lessons. With microlearning, learners can access small, bite-sized pieces of content that are easy to understand, remember, and apply. Microlearning is based on the idea that people learn best when they can focus on one concept or skill at a time. Microlearning can take many different forms, such as podcasts, videos, infographics, quizzes, and games, among others. The content is designed to be brief and easily digestible, with a focus on practical and actionable knowledge. One advantage of microlearning is that it is time efficient. Learners can access the material on demand and at their convenience, enabling them to fit their learning around their busy schedules. This approach is particularly useful for busy professionals who need to stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in their industries. Another key benefit of microlearning is its ability to promote retention. By breaking down complex concepts into smaller pieces, learners can focus on essential information, making it easier to remember. This method is particularly effective when combined with other techniques such as repetition, testing, and feedback. Microlearning is also portable, which means that learners can access the content whenever they need it and from wherever they are, using mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Overall, microlearning offers an effective and efficient way of learning new information and skills. Its bite-sized nature enables learners to absorb and apply new knowledge very quickly and easily. As education continues to evolve, microlearning is becoming increasingly popular and has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn and teach.